the lack of trust and cohesion within your team. Talk to us about that.
So lack of trust, it's interesting that trust, building trust.
This could be a whole show, by the way.
Yeah.
Just this
yeah,
one.
the whole trust thing is huge. What we found is that, first of all, we speak about trust sort of inaccurately. We talk about it as an all or nothing kind of thing. Either you trust somebody or don't. Well, that's actually not true. Trust is actually situation specific.
Okay.
So I might trust you to get me to MARTA to get on the train, but I'm not going to trust you to do open heart surgery. Right. Because you're not competent. So,
exactly.
So
good point.
It's about, and I think our language can help if we say, I don't trust this person to do this versus I don't trust Shannon or whatever.
Period. Right.
Period.
Then it just casts a huge dark cloud over them.
And what do you do with that? Because it's just a personal judgment.
That's right.
But we found that trust really has three components. One is competency.
Sure.
Are they able to do it? Second is consistency. How reliable are they? Are they willing to get it done?
Just because they did it once doesn't mean that they're going to do it every time.
You know, try to get a plumber to your place, right?
That's right.
So, or whatever it might be. And then last one is character.
Right.
And meaning, do they consider your and others' needs as well as their own? Right. Not necessarily instead of, but that they're not just trying to sell you something or whatever. And so if in any of those, if we can identify, okay, is it that I don't think they're competent, or I need to demonstrate some more consistency, or I need to be shown that they're thinking about other people, we can set up scenarios where they're allowed to view that, you know, and demonstrate that and be monitored. And the other part, it's not an all or nothing. I mean, you might say, I think they could do this with some supervision versus independently. So then you set up the situation so that they have some monitoring and supervision versus just handing it off totally.